आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम चैनल पर देख सकते हैं।
Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am receiving your regular comments regarding CUCET 2021 admit card. In this exclusive video, I am going to share the admit card with all the details. But before proceeding ahead, I am requesting you to watch this video till end. Like this video, do share this video with others, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for getting the latest update about CUCET 2021 exam. One more thing, this admit card is shared by one of the subscriber viewer Prabhat Kumar. Lots of thanks to him for sharing the admit card. I am going to explain the admit card in detail. So watch the video carefully. First of all, you can see the first page of admit card. It carries the roll number, candidate's name, gender, category, application number, father's name, date of birth, PWD. If someone is PWD, subscribe will be not a yes. Here the photograph will appear whatever you have uploaded at the time of application and candidate's signature. Further, you can see the test details. Here the test paper code appears. If you have chosen one test paper code, one test paper will come with the details like date of examination, reporting time, gate closing time, timing of test and venue of test. If you have selected more than one test paper code, it will increase up to that number of test paper code. Here you have to fill the self-declaration undertaking regarding COVID-19. If you are having some symptoms like this in last 40 days, you have to tick mark it unless leave it. If you are in close contact with COVID-19 patient, if you are in the recent time, you have to tick it unless leave it. If you are not in close contact with any COVID-19 patient, you have to tick it. If you have traveled in any city in last 14 days up to 4 city, you have to write the name of the city and when you have visited the city. Here you have to paste the photograph what you have used at the time of online registration that will appear here. You have to paste the same photograph here. Here the hard copy of the photograph in the passport size should be pasted here. You have to put the left hand thumb impression and you have to put the signature at the time of examination before the invigilator. Further, in the page number 2, the advisory for COVID-19 is given by the NTA. You have to read all the instructions here, all the guidelines here. What are the things you keep in mind while doing the pre-exam preparation? And at the time of entry, what are the things keep in mind when you will enter at the same center here during the examination? You are asking the question time and again about the rough paper. A4 size sheet will kept at each candidate desk for use by the candidates for rough work. If additional sheets are required for rough work by the candidate, the same shall be made available on demand. Passport size photograph I have already shared with you. You have to put on the attendance sheet. Then after examination, what you have to do? These all the points are mentioned here in the page number 2. Page number 3, it carries more detail as per precaution for COVID-19. The candidate must reach center as indicated against reporting entry time at the center in the admit card. No candidate shall be permitted to enter after the gate closing time. No candidate shall be permitted to leave the examination room hall before the end of examination. On completion of the examination, please wait for instruction from invigilator and do not get up from your seat until advised. The candidates will be permitted to move out one at a time only. On candidates are required to download and read carefully the instruction and advisory for COVID-19 given with the admit card and strictly adhere to them. The admit card consists of 3 pages. Page number 1 contains the center details and self-declaration undertaking form regarding COVID-19. Page 2 has important instruction for candidates. And page 3 has advisory for candidates regarding COVID-19. The candidates has to download all 3 pages. So you have to download all 3 pages and you have to carry at the examination center as well. The admit card is provisional subject to satisfying the eligibility criteria as given in the prospectus information bulletin. Candidates are advised to verify the examination venue or day. If you are new in the city, you verify your city in a day in advance. If you are familiar with the city, there is no need to visit the city in one day in advance. If religion custom required you to wear specific attire, please visit the center early for thorough checking. Like if you are a Sikh and you are following Sikh religion, you are wearing the turban, you have to go in advance. No candidates would be allowed to enter the examination center without admit card and undertaking valid ID proof and proper frisking. Frisking through handheld metal detector will be carried out without physical touch. Candidates will be permitted to carry only the following items with them into the examination venue. Read this carefully. Personal transparent water bottle, personal hand sanitizer 50 ml, a simple transparent ball point pen, admit card along with self-declaration undertaking downloaded from the NTA website, a clear printout on A4 size paper, duly filled in additional passport size photograph for posting on attendance sheet, an original valid and non-expired government ID proof. The ID proofs you can carry are these are the ID proofs: PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card with photograph, Aadhaar enrollment number with photo, ration card. Then candidate must bring PWD certificate if you are PWD certificate. Your subscribe should also carry the requisite document. Candidates not allowed to carry any personal belongings including electronic devices, mobile phones and other banned prohibited items included listed in information bulletin to the examination center. Examination official will not be responsible for keep of personal belongings and there will be no such facility. Shoes, footwear with thick soles and garments with large buttons are not permitted. Better you wear the sandals or chappals. Blank paper sheet for rough work will be provided in the examination hall room. Candidate must write their name and roll number at the top of each of the sheet and must drop the sheets in the designation drop box without fail before leaving the examination hall room. Failure to do so may result in non-evaluation of your answer. Duly filled admit card at the end of examination must be dropped in the designation drop box. Failure to do so may result in non-evaluation of your answer. So you have to drop the admit card as well as rough sheet in the drop box. No candidate should adopt any unfair means or indulge in any unfair examination practice as the examination centers are under surveillance of CCTV and equipped with JIVR. For any update, keep on visiting NTA website. Do check your emails and SMS of the registered mobile number for latest update. For more help, you can contact on this number and send the email to NTA help desk. I have shared the three-pager admit card and related instruction document in my Telegram channel CUCET guide. You can download from there. I hope after watching this video, all your doubts, all your confusion regarding admit card is over. Even if you are any confusion and doubt, you can ask your question in the comment box below. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career.